Welcome, I'm Sean Shanley with Viridiant.
And I'm Andrew Grigsby with Viridiant.
And today we'll be talking about heat pump water heaters in the Southeast. Before we get started, we would love to get your feedback on today's training so that we can improve it for future audiences. We've provided a QR code so that you can take an anonymous survey if you have the time. If you're comfortable, there are also some questions on there to help us know what kind of folks we're reaching so we can understand who we're training and who might be missing. This is an introductory course on the upcoming market transformations in water heaters and should be used to help inform business owners and installers on basic background and to give you a sense of what you should ask for when you're making decisions. Our objective today is to provide you with an overview of the latest information and available resources. As professionals, you'll be selling, recommending, and hopefully installing heat pump water heaters for your clients. We want to make sure that you leave with useful facts about heat pump water heaters. Our goal is for you to be able to identify 3 technical or mechanical aspects of heat pump water heaters, 3 market factors relevant to these devices, 3 common myths and the pertinent facts, and 3 resources that professionals can rely on for information when talking to users, businesses, and consumers. These resources come from a number of different places, such as the U.S. Department of Energy. For our agenda today, we'll be going over a brief introduction to this project, talking through some technology and terminology for heat pump water heaters, covering several myths about heat pump water heaters, covering market and incentive information, code and installation information, and we'll wrap up with a brief activity. We're here today thanks to funding from the U.S. Department of Energy, which is intended to increase the market penetration of 4 technologies: heat pump water heaters, air source heat pumps, electric vehicle charging systems, and residential battery systems. These technologies were chosen because they have some of the greatest potential for energy savings, cost savings, and market growth. And we are required to include this statement: the views expressed herein do not necessarily represent the views of the U.S. Department of Energy or the United States government.